inside AC, you would never find out, or you would never even figure out that there was a camera installed here. That's a hole for camera. Please, you guys should be careful.
Guys, you need to be vigilant. You need to be vigilant. You see, this camera in the hotel thing, we all of us just laugh. It's not a funny matter. It's not a funny matter. Forget about even, I mean, what will make somebody put a camera in a hotel? What's the motive? That's my own. What's the motive? I'm calling on the Nigerian police force to arrest the owner, the weather manager, or all the operators of Pavilion Hotel and Suites in Ayekwe to do a thorough investigation concerning all the guests that have lodged in that place, to find out whether after leaving that hotel, any of them got robbed or got murdered or got kidnapped or anything like that. Because you're in your room, you are making phone calls, you are disclosing confidential information. If you have money with you, you might have the money spread around the room or something like that. You know, these people could have gotten all manner of information from these cameras in bedrooms. Forget about whether they saw you sleeping with your girlfriend, or saw you sleeping with your wife, or saw your nakedness, or saw your wife's naked. That is trivial. Imagine all the other information that they could have gotten from your private phone calls, your private conversations in those hotel rooms, and what they could have done with all of those information. Do we know whether anybody have lost their lives after lodging in that place? Maybe they'll go once they get information, say you get money with you, or they go for one kind of deal, they send armed robbers after you, or maybe anything could have happened. So I'm calling on the Nigerian police to please investigate Pavilion Hotel and Suites in Ayekwe in Ogun State. Both the owner of the place, the manager, all the people working there, they should investigate them, get a thorough list of people that have stayed in that hotel, find out where those people are, interrogate them if they are still alive. Do not be surprised if some of the guests in that have lodged in that place could have been robbed, maybe kidnapped, killed, or whatever after leaving that hotel. Because what is the motive for putting cameras in hotel rooms? Be vigilant, guys. Search. I dey fear now to even go lodge for hotel. And our work. Now, so hotel. Eh?